Kudou Coffee by Shushi Design in Shenzhen, SHI, China. The unmodified concrete and naturally falling walls are treasures left by the rough and unrestrained factory area, and the core concept of their processing is to continue and protect them. On the premise of preserving the original walls, the use of metal and cement-style materials and retro lighting fixtures has improved the integration of modern furniture and the site. Local military green is naturally embellished, strengthening the recognition of brand elements. The industrial pipelines remaining on the site only need to be slightly utilized to become excellent lighting devices. The new design of the air duct ceiling combines the original red staircase of the site with a silver-white coating that reflects a modern metallic luster in the air. The ground bar continues the weightiness of the site's concrete material, and the curved direction echoes the ceiling up and down. Standing inside, one can experience the sparks generated by the collision of the two materials. Many years ago, the renovation left an irregular opening on the side of the site, with exposed steel bars and uneven cross-sections. As a side door that combines industrial ruins and commercial fun, it is perfect. The walls around the site are half a meter thick without windows, and the red stairs and industrial facilities at the top cover the entire courtyard, blocking most of the sunlight. Considering the rainy climate in Shenzhen and the need to maximize the preservation of precious natural light in the gaps of the courtyard, we have made a large transparent skylight roof through reasonable mechanical calculations, using a steel frame structure and transparent endurance panels. In Hegel's view, the spirit of the times is a positive force that can not only shape the temperament and characteristics of a specific society or civilization but also define their position in the cultural process of human society. Now, the architectural function of the site has shifted from industrial facilities to commercial and social spaces. Kudou Coffee not only amplifies the charm of modern aesthetics in the atmosphere of the industrial era, but also makes industrial aesthetics a showcase of modern urban spirit.